The first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and click on the text that you want to make slide. In my case, it's going to be this sample text box right here. Now, as you can see, it is to the left. It doesn't matter how big the box is or where it's located in your header. As long as you click on it, a bunch of different options are going to appear right below it. And the one you want to click on is this animation button right here. So click on that. And from the entrance animations, look for slide, which is right at the bottom here. Once you've done that, click on customize right here. And then here we can basically change the slide setting of the animation. Now we can change the motion style. We can have it to be gentle, moderate, or intense. We can change the direction. So if you don't want to go from the bottom, if you wanted to basically come out from the logo, for example, we choose from left, just like this. And then the duration, let's say they want it to be 1.6 seconds, and we don't want there to be any delay. Once you're happy with the settings, click on the X button right here, and let's preview the results of the changes that we just made. And there you go. That's how you make a sliding text in header in Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.